Welcome back to All About Air Pollution. Today I will tell you all about carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is a common compound formed of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. It makes up 0.04% of air. Most CO2 is produced by the combustion of fossil fuels, and human actions produce or release about 32.5 metric tons per year. Carbon dioxide is a reactant in photosynthesis, so it is absorbed by plants. It is also a waste product of respiration, and so it is released by the exhalation of animals, including humans. Carbon dioxide has a huge impact on the environment, and CO2 levels are the highest they've been in around 800,000 years, as shown by this graph. Carbon dioxide is found in the atmosphere naturally, like most pollutants, but the problem is that due to human actions, the levels are higher than they should be. Carbon dioxide is the most well-known and most common greenhouse gas, which means it contributes to the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is when greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, form a layer in the atmosphere and trap and reflect the heat from the sun onto the Earth's surface, when it would otherwise have left the atmosphere. This leads to global warming, rising sea levels, and melting ice caps, among other things. 93% of all carbon dioxide is stored in oceans, plants, and ice caps. This means that when CO2 levels rise, then the ocean absorbs more CO2, increasing the acidity of the ocean. This puts stress on marine life, and this, along with the stress caused by rising temperatures, can bleach, kill, or damage coral reefs and reef ecosystems. So what can you do? Due to the vast majority of carbon dioxide being produced by road vehicles, we need to find a more sustainable way of fueling them. This is being done in electric cars, but the electricity must also be produced sustainably, for example using solar panels or wind turbines, or it won't actually be better for the environment. Another way to reduce emissions from vehicles is to use public transport. You can also reduce the amount of wood you burn and switch to using renewable energy in your homes. Carbon dioxide is the only air pollutant which can be removed from the atmosphere. This can be done by afforestation or the preservation of forests, since plants can absorb CO2. However, we must not get rid of CO2 altogether, as the negative effects of low CO2 levels on the human body are very severe. A lack of CO2 can cause vasoconstriction, the narrowing of arteries, or inflammatory heart and lung problems. That's all for today. Take a look at some of our other videos and have a nice day.